Open floor plans are becoming more and more popular. This design trend has been gaining momentum over the past few decades, and it shows no signs of slowing down. The appeal of open floor plans lies in their ability to create a sense of spaciousness and fluidity within a home. By removing walls and barriers, these layouts foster a more inclusive and connected living environment. They are a key feature in many modern homes. Architects and interior designers are increasingly incorporating open floor plans into their projects, recognizing the numerous advantages they offer. From enhancing natural light to promoting social interaction, open floor plans are revolutionizing the way we think about home design. But what exactly is an open floor plan? At its core, an open floor plan is a layout that eliminates traditional room divisions, such as walls and doors, to create a more expansive and cohesive living space. This concept can be applied to various areas of the home, including the kitchen, dining room, and living room. It's simple. Imagine a home where the kitchen, dining area, and living room are all connected. This seamless integration allows for a more flexible and versatile use of space. Whether you're cooking, dining, or relaxing, an open floor plan enables you to engage with family and friends without feeling isolated or confined to a specific room. No walls separating them, just one big open space. This openness not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a home, but also improves functionality. With fewer barriers, it's easier to move around and make the most of the available space. Additionally, open floor plans can make a home feel larger and more inviting, even if the actual square footage is limited. This is the essence of open floor plan living. It's about creating a harmonious and fluid environment that adapts to the needs of its occupants. Open floor plans encourage a more dynamic and interactive way of living, where activities and conversations can flow freely from one area to another. This design concept has taken the world by storm, and for good reason. The versatility and adaptability of open floor plans make them suitable for a wide range of lifestyles and preferences. Whether you have a growing family, love to entertain, or simply appreciate a more open and airy living space, an open floor plan can cater to your needs. Open floor plans offer a multitude of benefits, making them a highly desirable feature for homeowners. One of the most significant advantages is the increased natural light. With fewer walls to block windows, sunlight can penetrate deeper into the home, creating a brighter and more cheerful atmosphere. This not only enhances the overall ambiance but can also reduce the need for artificial lighting, leading to energy savings. They completely change the way we live, interact, and enjoy our homes. Open floor plans promote a sense of togetherness and connectivity, making it easier for family members to spend quality time together. Whether it's cooking dinner while helping with homework or hosting a gathering of friends, an open floor plan facilitates social interaction and fosters a more inclusive environment. In this essay, we'll delve into why open floor plans are more than just a trend. They are the future of home design. As our lifestyles continue to evolve, so too do our living spaces. Open floor plans reflect a shift towards more flexible, adaptable, and connected ways of living. They offer a glimpse into the future of home design, where functionality, aesthetics, and social interaction are seamlessly integrated into one harmonious space. One of the most immediate benefits you'll notice with an open floor plan is the feeling of spaciousness. Without walls to break up the space, your home instantly feels larger and more airy. This is especially beneficial for smaller homes or apartments, where every square foot counts. Natural light is another game changer. With fewer walls to block sunlight, open floor plans allow natural light to flood the space. This creates a brighter, more welcoming atmosphere. It can even help you save on your energy bills. Open floor plans are incredibly versatile. Since there are no fixed walls, you have the freedom to arrange your furniture in countless ways. Want to create a cozy reading nook? No problem. Need a dedicated workspace? Easy. Open floor plans can also adapt to your changing needs over time. Whether you're a young professional, a growing family, or empty nesters, an open floor plan can easily accommodate different stages of life. One of the most appealing aspects of open floor plans is their ability to foster a sense of community. Without walls to separate family members and guests, everyone can feel connected, even while doing different activities. Imagine preparing dinner in the kitchen while still being able to chat with your family in the living room, or hosting a party where guests can easily mingle and move about the space. Open floor plans encourage interaction and create a warm, inviting atmosphere for everyone. Section 5. Beauty in openness. Open floor plans aren't just practical, they're aesthetically pleasing too. They often feature high ceilings and expansive windows, which further enhance the sense of spaciousness and light. This creates a modern, sophisticated look that's both stylish and functional. The lack of walls allows for a clean and uncluttered aesthetic. This can be further enhanced with minimalist decor and a cohesive design scheme. The result is a visually appealing space that feels open, airy, and inviting. Section 6. Practicality for modern living. In today's fast-paced world, the design of our living spaces plays a crucial role in how we manage our daily lives. One of the most popular trends in modern home design is the open floor plan, which has revolutionized the way we think about and use our living spaces. Open floor plans offer numerous practical benefits, especially for families with young children. The absence of walls and barriers allows for a more inclusive environment where family members can interact and stay connected, even while engaged in different activities. Parents can easily keep an eye on their little ones while cooking, working, or relaxing. This setup is particularly advantageous for those who work from home, as it allows them to balance professional responsibilities with family time seamlessly. The ability to multitask in such an environment can significantly reduce stress and increase productivity. This open sightline provides a sense of security and makes it easier to manage household tasks. Whether it's preparing meals, helping with homework, or simply enjoying some downtime, the open floor plan ensures that everyone remains within view, fostering a sense of togetherness and safety. Open floor plans can also be beneficial for those who enjoy entertaining. The spacious and flexible layout allows for a variety of social gatherings, from casual get-togethers to more formal events. The lack of walls means that hosts can easily interact with their guests, creating a more engaging and enjoyable experience for everyone involved. The flow between the kitchen, dining, and living areas makes it effortless to host gatherings of all sizes. This seamless transition between spaces not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the home, but also makes it more functional. Guests can move from one area to another without feeling restricted, allowing for a more dynamic and lively atmosphere. Guests can move about freely and interact with one another without feeling confined to separate rooms. This freedom of movement encourages more natural and spontaneous interactions, making social events more enjoyable and memorable. The open floor plan truly transforms the way we live, work, and entertain, making it a practical choice for modern living. Section 7. Investing in your future. When it comes to real estate, open floor plans are a smart investment. They are highly sought after by buyers, which can increase your home's resale value. In today's market, many home buyers prioritize open and flexible living spaces. An open floor plan can be a major selling point that attracts potential buyers and helps your home stand out from the competition. It's a design feature that adds both value and appeal to your property. Section 8. The open floor plan. Advantage. Open floor plans are more than just a trendy design aesthetic. They offer a multitude of benefits that enhance the way we live, interact, and enjoy our homes. From increased natural light and a greater sense of space to improved flow and enhanced social interaction, open floor plans have a lot to offer. It's no wonder that open floor plans have become increasingly popular in recent years. They are a testament to our evolving lifestyles and our desire for homes that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. One of the most significant advantages of an open floor plan is the way it maximizes natural light. With fewer walls to block the light, your home feels brighter and more welcoming. This not only creates a more pleasant living environment but can also help reduce energy costs by relying less on artificial lighting. The open layout also encourages social interaction, making it easier to entertain guests and spend quality time with family. Whether you're cooking dinner while helping with homework or hosting a dinner party, the open floor plan keeps everyone connected. Additionally, open floor plans offer flexibility in how you use your space. You can easily reconfigure furniture and decor to suit your needs, whether you're creating a cozy reading nook or a spacious play area for kids. This adaptability is particularly appealing to those who value a home that can evolve with their lifestyle. Moreover, open floor plans can make smaller homes feel larger and more expansive. By eliminating unnecessary walls, you create a sense of openness that can make even a modest space feel grand. This is especially beneficial in urban settings where space is at a premium. In conclusion, the open floor plan is more than just a design trend. It's a lifestyle choice that offers numerous benefits. From enhancing natural light and promoting social interaction to offering flexibility and making small spaces feel larger, the advantages of an open floor plan are clear. It's a design that aligns with our modern way of living, providing a home that is both beautiful and functional. Embrace the open floor plan advantage and transform your living space into a haven of light, space, and connection.